burgers. Now this is something that we all enjoy. It's a great meal by itself, but today we're going to do a very different paneer burger. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the paneer burger, I have 400 grams of paneer. We don't want such thick blocks inside the burger, so make sure you have a nice thin piece here. So I've just cut it into two. Keep this aside. I'm going to make a quick marinade for the paneer pieces. For this, take 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Chaat Masala powder, 1 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, half teaspoon salt, add some pepper, squeeze the juice of half lemon, 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. If you don't have fresh cream, substitute it with thick curd. If it's too thick, just dilute it with a little water. I have a nice thick marinade. Pour the marinade on the paneer slices. Make sure you spread it out and rub it all over the pieces. Let it marinate for about 15 minutes. So I'm going to make a spicy mayonnaise. So I've taken about half cup of mayonnaise. To this I'm going to add some Schezwan paste. If you don't have Schezwan paste, you can also use red chili sauce. Add about 3 to 4 teaspoons depending on how spicy you'd like it. Mix the mayonnaise and leave it aside. I have a grilled pan. I'm just going to pour a little ghee. The paneer has been marinating for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to start grilling the paneer pieces. I'm just going to drizzle a little ghee on all the pieces before flipping it over. So I have some burger buns, just cut them into half. So I'm just going to toast the buns. You can either use ghee or butter. Toast the buns till they turn golden brown in color. To assemble the burger, cut some onion slices and tomato slices. Take the burger buns. Spread the spicy mayonnaise on one side of the bun. Place a cheese slice. Place the grilled paneer piece. Layer it with lettuce leaves, onion rings and tomato slices. Spread some spicy mayonnaise on the other half of the bun and close the burger. The paneer burger is ready to be served. So who would think you can make a delicious paneer burger? Well, next time if you're craving for something nice and you want to have a quick burger, you can try it with paneer. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Frame.